This is a food review. Today I'm going to be going over the Discord and we're going to be talking about and maybe roasting. I'm going to go easy. We're not going to really roast. This looks like a fucking toilet with what could be shit. We're going to be doing more of these, so if you want, post some of your dishes on the Discord. We'll have the link in the description under food pics. But also I want to specify, instead of just posting a picture, maybe post a picture with like what it is or what you did. You could even post a video if you want, and we'll go over that. Because right now we're seeing just a lot of photos and it's a lot of mystery. Not that I don't like mystery, but it's kind of nice to know what you did exactly. So anyways, let me just start scrolling to the top here. Okay, sniff_dat_bread. Sniff that bread posted a pretty nice looking pizza, dude. It's got a good looking crust. And you got a good looking pizza paddle, so it looks like you do this quite a bit. Good job, Sniff That Bread. First time making scallops. Sloth says.
If you click it, the picture gets bigger.
Oh, it gets bigger. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm learning Discord today. If you click the picture, it gets bigger. Yeah, that's a nice looking sear. What is that on the side? Are those like glazed carrots? Can't really tell. Oh, we've got a video in from Sketchy. It looks like you're frying something. Somehow did not sustain first degree burns while making this. Nice. That sounds good. Shrimp dumplings, Old Bay broth, and andouille sausage. That looks fucking delicious. I would crush that.
Nice plating.
Yeah, it is nice. Kazi says, made this from the Sad Poppy cookbook. I didn't know Sad Poppy had a cookbook. Nice, I gotta pick that up. That looks good, man. What is that? Oh yeah, it looks like a romaine lettuce salad situation. Good job, Kazi. I'm having a lot of fun scrolling through these guys. You guys have been posting these for a while. I'm sorry I didn't get to this. Dashboarding posted a flan, it looks like, or is that a bread pudding? Now you go out to eat a lot, dude. I'm kind of jealous. What does this guy even do, you think? He goes out to eat a lot. He even has like some food on his background here. He's a tax accountant working on Masters of Accounting. Dude, this guy must make a lot of money because he's like really good.
Doxing him right now.
Baker Jake posted a pie that looks fucking bomb. I'm curious though, Baker Jake, since you're a baker, maybe you can answer this. What are your thoughts on glass pie? You don't even call them pie tins because it's not a tin, but like pie baking dish. Do you like glass pie baking dishes? Because I hear that's not the move. Because like you're not gonna get like as crispy of a crust. Anyways, it looks delicious. Then we've got someone dropping their entire fucking camera roll from Bean Pole. Some special I've been doing over the months as my job as Sue. Looks like you've got a pozole and you've got, that could be a carrot soup, could be a curry soup. I don't know what it is, but it looks great. Nice dishes, beautiful. Good job, chef. Yo, someone went to Terry Black's. I fucking love Terry Black's. Terry Black's barbecue. You gotta get the ribs though when you're there. Oh, the banana pudding. That's where it's at, banana pudding. In from Mika. Is it Mika or Micah? Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But we've got a mystery dish because there's no ingredients. But it looks really nice. It looks like a Parmesan cheese crust and what looks to be a risotto with a mystery meat. Good job on plating, looks delicious. Porcini Parpadelli from Timothy Buck II. Roasted mushroom, red wine mushroom, butter, black truffle, gremolata. That looks fucking dank, dude. Good job, chef. Skept One Claus. Literally just finished these 10 minutes ago. Looks like some tacos. The tortillas look a little like thick and kind of hard because it's like, it looks like they're kind of breaking. I don't really know if those are store-bought. They look kind of store-bought. I don't know, either way, it looks fucking good.
Are you more of a flour or corn tortilla for street tacos?
Oh, street tacos has gotta be corn. Like for street tacos, I have to have corn tortillas. But I love flour for breakfast. In from Nashi, salmon with roasted vegetables. Also that tat's pretty fucking dope. I like the red ink. Nice, nice looking fish. And also that view is not bad either. Are you in like Hawaii or something? Damn. Chef Madsen. Oh, I've actually met this guy. This guy is legit. I met him in Houston. He made a shrimp fideo. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, that looks fucking delicious. I would crush that. I grew up on fideo. So if you guys don't know what fideo is, it's like a Mexican pasta. You toast the noodles and then it like usually gets cooked in this like tomato-y stew situation. I think I should do a video on this. This looks really fucking good. Oh, that's a good pile of lasagna right there. It's even got the money shot running down, dripping. That looks delicious.
It's
That
like an
looks
Olive Garden when you tell them. Like,
yeah, like
stop.
this person did not say stop here. Scallops, Jimmy Red Grits, Shellfish Brunoise Trinity, yeah, that looks fucking dank. This here is nice. That is a beautiful scallop sear. So anyone out there, this is what your scallop sear should look like. Oh, fuck. Sam R.I. Matcha flan with candy pistachios and freeze-dried strawberries. That is a beautifully done flan. Like there is not one single bubble in there. That is smooth. Looks like you've done this before. Good job. Week 3 of making flan every week. Week 1 was coffee, 2 was Thai tea. Okay, yeah, solid, good job. And then last one is today, 3:27 p.m. from Dashboarding. I got the sauce so the girl doesn't snap her neck at me. I think I know what you're talking about. That is the sauce girl, right?
Sauce. No Chick-fil-A sauce?
No, that was awesome, guys. Thank you so much for joining and posting on here. Post some videos, post what you posted, at least like type it in. Don't be afraid to post your fails too, because like all this looks really nice. Like you can even post your fails. Like we want to see everything. But yeah, let's keep this going because I'm gonna do this every fucking week. You guys are great. Thanks for joining in. See you on the next one.